If you've ever started a woodworking project and ended up with a pile of expensive scrap wood, vague diagrams, and a level of frustration that makes you want to throw your tools across the garage, you need to listen up. I used to waste hours trying to find reliable plans online, only to end up with incomplete instructions, wrong measurements, and projects that looked nothing like the picture. That feeling of failure? It stops right now. Today, I'm reviewing the secret weapon that changed everything for me, Teds Woodworking Plans. This isn't just a collection of ideas. It's the largest, most detailed library of woodworking blueprints ever compiled. We're talking about over 16,000 professional step-by-step plans for everything you could ever want to build. This program is the master key to building anything you see in a magazine, but with the confidence and clarity of a master carpenter guiding you every step of the way. Now, let's talk about the biggest problem with most plans: guesswork. You buy a plan, but you have no idea what tools you need, how much wood to buy, or the exact cut dimensions. Teds Woodworking eliminates 100% of that stress. Every single one of the 16,000 plans comes with 4 critical components. First, complete material lists. No more running to the hardware store 3 times. You know exactly what wood and hardware to buy before you start. Second, precise cutting lists. This saves you time and cuts down on expensive material waste. Third, detailed 3D diagrams. These aren't fuzzy sketches. They are professional-grade blueprints showing you the project from every angle, so you can visualize the assembly perfectly. And fourth, step-by-step instructions, written in plain, simple English, making sure even if you've never touched a saw before, you can follow along with confidence. The scope of this package is simply insane. When I say 16,000 plans, I mean you will literally never run out of projects. Are you a complete beginner who wants to start small with a birdhouse or a simple bench? Ted has plans for that. Are you a seasoned pro who wants to build a custom gazebo, a complicated rocking chair, or a full backyard shed? Ted has plans for that. Whether you want indoor furniture, outdoor structures, workshop jigs, or custom pieces to sell, the variety is unprecedented. This massive library is perfectly organized and categorized, so whether you're looking for cabinets or children's toys, you find the exact plan you need in seconds. But Ted's Woodworking is more than just plans. When you sign up today, you don't just get the 16,000 blueprints, you get the entire premium package. That includes over 150 step-by-step video tutorials hosted by expert woodworkers. If the diagrams confuse you, the video shows you exactly how to do the joint or the cutting technique. You also get the DWG/C AD Plan Viewer, which is software that lets you customize and modify any plan to fit your exact space and needs. Plus, there's a massive guide on how to start a woodworking business. And the best part? It's a one-time low payment for lifetime access and free monthly updates with new plans added constantly. Think about how much money you've wasted on failed projects. Think about the thousands you would spend buying furniture from a store. Ted's Woodworking gives you the confidence to build furniture that is better quality, perfectly customized, and costs a fraction of the price. Users everywhere are raving about how they finally feel like master craftsmen, thanks to the clarity of these blueprints. This system completely replaces the need for expensive design software or complex carpentry courses. It puts a master carpenter, Ted McGrath, right there in your shop, guiding your hand. This is your chance to stop frustrating yourself with vague plans and start building professional quality projects today. They are so confident that this library will change your woodworking life that they offer an ironclad 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. That means you can download and test out dozens of plans completely risk-free for 2 full months. Click the official link below right now. Go to the website, grab your lifetime access to 16,000 plus plans and all the bonuses, and start building your first masterpiece today. Don't wait. Click the link and transform your workshop.